Welcome, everyone. I am so glad you are here to study with me today. If you are preparing for your upcoming WAEC, JAM, or NECO examinations, QandA Help at QandAHelp.com is the best platform to make sure you are fully ready. Let us look at a past question to get you ready for your next exam. This is WASSCE Mathematics 2026, question 33. The question says, the roots of a quadratic equation are -2/3 and -1/4. We need to find the correct equation from these four options. To solve this, we use a fundamental rule in algebra. When we have a root, r, we can express it as a factor. If x equals r, then subtracting r from both sides gives us the factor x minus r equals 0. This works because substituting the root r in place of x makes the entire factor equal to 0. This logical connection is what allows us to build a quadratic equation from its roots. Let us start with our first root, -2/3. In our factor formula, we get x minus -2/3. Subtracting a negative number changes into addition. So those two negative signs become a plus, giving us the factor x plus 2/3. We apply the exact same sign rule to our second root, -1/4. We write x minus -1/4, which simplifies into x plus 1/4. Take a moment to see the pattern. A negative root always results in a positive sign inside its corresponding factor. Remembering this shortcut will save you valuable time during your examination. Now we form our quadratic equation by multiplying these two new factors together and setting the product equal to 0. Let us expand this slowly. First, x times x gives us x squared. Then x times 1/4 is x/4. Next, we multiply the fractional terms. 2/3 times x is 2x/3. Finally, 2/3 times 1/4 gives us 2/12, which simplifies to 1/6. Our full equation is now x squared plus x/4 plus 2x/3 plus 1/6 equals 0. To combine our middle terms, x/4 and 2x/3, we need a common denominator. The lowest common multiple of 4 and 3 is 12, so we convert x/4 into 3x/12 and 2x/3 into 8x/12. Now that the denominators match, we add the numerators. 3x plus 8x gives us 11x/12. Our updated equation is x squared plus 11x/12 plus 1/6 equals 0. We remove these fractions by multiplying every term in the equation by 12. 12 times x squared is 12x squared. The 12 cancels the denominator in 11x/12, leaving 11x, and 12 times 1/6 gives 2. Our final equation is 12x squared plus 11x plus 2 equals 0. Looking back at our options, option B is the correct match. We can see why the others fail. Since both roots were negative, our factors became positive, resulting in a positive middle term and positive constant term. As a faster hack for the exam, use this formula. X squared minus the sum of the roots times x plus the product of the roots. Plugging in our roots gives us the exact same result once we clear the denominators. Let us see if you can apply this logic. Here is quick quiz 1. The roots are -1/2 and -1/3. Please pause the video and try to find the equation on your own. Let us check your work. Because both roots are negative, your factors are x plus 1/2 and x plus 1/3. Expanding those gives x squared plus 5x/6 plus 1/6. Multiplying by 6 to clear the fractions leaves us with 6x squared plus 5x plus 1 equals 0. Well done. Now try quick quiz 2. This time the roots are positive, 2/3 and 1/4. Pause and find the equation. Since these roots are positive, the minus signs from our formula remain. Our factors are x minus 2/3 and x minus 1/4. Expanding these and multiplying by 12 results in 12x squared minus 11x plus 2 equals 0. Compare this result to our original question. You can see how changing the roots from negative to positive flipped the sign of the middle term, while the rest of the equation stayed the same. As you prepare for your exams, remember this core relationship. The root r always translates to the factor x minus r. A negative root results in a positive factor sign, and a positive root results in a negative factor sign. You have done an excellent job working through these fractional expressions. For more in-depth preparation across all WAEC, JAM, and NECO subjects, visit us at QandAHelp.com. Subscribe to our channel for more lessons and keep studying hard.